Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to get the Bitget Exchange app on your Mac in just a few simple steps. Start by opening Safari, either from the dock or by pressing Command plus space and typing Safari. Once Safari is open, visit bitget.com, the official Bitget website. Always make sure you're on the correct site to protect your account. Now click File in the menu bar and choose Add to Dock. A small pop-up window will appear. You can rename it if you want, but I'll leave it as Bitget. Click Add, and you'll see the Bitget icon appear in your dock. Here's the cool part. When you click that icon, Bitget opens in an app-style window, completely separate from Safari. You can close Safari, and Bitget will stay open like a native Mac app. And that's it. You've successfully installed Bitget on your Mac as a standalone web app. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Mac and crypto tutorials.